Good morning, and
welcome to where are we? Tassie.
we're on top of Mount Tassie, just south of Traralgon. We're on our way to a place called Tara Bulga, but on the way we thought we'd come up here to Mount Tassie to have a look and just check out the valley, the Gippsland Valley. I'll show you around now and explain it as we go. It might be a bit windy, but isn't that beautiful? And what we've got over there, that's I think it's Yallourn Power Station, and then over there, I don't know if you can see it or not, is that's Churchill Power Station. There's another one over there somewhere, or just over there, you won't be able to see it. That's Yallourn North. But that's the valley.
It's amazing. I don't know if looking through the camera will give you the beauty of it.
Yeah, I know, it's just magnificent up here, and then it just goes down and flat and then back up into the mountains of the high country. But another thing around here is all through around there, down there, all through here, that was where the Black Friday or Black Saturday fires came through, which devastated that weekend, devastated Victoria many years ago. All this is now green. When it came through, it was dead. It was just grey, and it was shocking, really. But it's good to see how nature recovers itself.
Yeah, it's amazing now. It looks like it hasn't been touched.
That's it, yeah, it just looks like everything's been planted back, and nature's recovered itself. Beautiful. But if you can hear a hum, what that is, it's a bit of a tower here. It's the I think the TV repeater tower. So that's why that's humming, if you can hear that.
It's so cold up here.
Yeah, we're going to put some stuff on, get back into the car, and keep going.
Yeah.
See you later. We made it to the what would you call it, driveway, I suppose, to the Tara Bulga sort of car park. Yeah, but we met with this.
Okay.
Shut. Obviously the rains have destroyed the roads, but we can walk down, so we'll check it out by foot. So yeah, it's only about 200 metres, so we'll see what happens. But as you can see, it's all thick forest, big tree ferns. But, we'll show you more when we get there. Now we came down to the car park. It's nice. It's a nice little walk. But as you can see, it hasn't been touched for a while. But there's actually toilets up there for women. Men are up there. So it's still worth coming down, obviously. So far. See, we've got a track, suspension bridge, not far. There's visitors and you can walk to, but you can actually go back and drive back up to the visitors centre. But in the meantime, we'll just take you along for a bit of walk. You just listen, you hear footsteps.
Okay.
Just stop and listen, all the birds and
nice.
Goes to show you that there's not much foot traffic or anything around here. There's this main path, freshly dug wombat hole. Let's see what aminals we can run into. Hey, honey.
Yeah. No.
big old tree. Huge. Even let's show how old this place is. These tree ferns. They go about, I think about a centimetre a year. Like that. Okay, this is a bit of a surprise. Okay, we came round to the Tara Bulga Visitor Centre, but it's shut. It looks like there's quite a bit of info in there. There we go. But it's a nice spot. Just here, the area that they've set out for it. It's toilets. There's a bit of an area. Tables. There's a barbecue up there. There's another shelter up there, so you come in. And it's quite nice. Now, this area of the Tara Bulga is actually in the Bullock, little township, Bullock district, and some information over here. And I just heard the, oh wow, Sylv just beat the horn a little bit. You can't see it yet, but the car's got some rosellas on it. Let's see. Now I'll try and get it there. And there we go. See if I can zoom in. Got back to the car and decided to say hello. And there he is. And the way Sylv's thinking, hey, you better shut the door because he's going to come in and attack me.
Alright, now can we go? That's where he loves the car.
Yeah. A bit of a one-way road drive down. We ended up at Tara Falls, and it's just on the side of the road, but it's proper fenced off walkway, steps and everything down there. This is the end of the walkway, but if you're game, you still head down there. You've got him coming, look at it.
I know.
Yeah, the sun's out again. Yeah, I wouldn't go climbing on this one. Bit slippery. Good morning and happy Saturday.
Happy Saturday. Today is Saturday, yes. Oh, today is voting in Victoria.
That's right.
We've done it already.
Yeah, did the early vote, get it out of the done with. Yep. Well, as you can see behind us is the Loy Yang power station and the big coal mine, big pit, one of the big pits in the valley here. And well, you've got the Loy Yang here, you've got the Moor Wall and the Lawn North. So there's 3 big holes like this in the area. So you've already seen what was it? Your Lawn North.
Yeah.
So far. This is what did I say? Loy Yang.
Yeah.
Yes.
And it's actually quite interesting to come and see them.
Yeah, you can drive right past.
Yeah.
And see all the conveyor belts bringing the coal up and everything.
Yeah, and they're so good. It's like nurses. But they're in their little trip here.
Yeah, this first part of the Victorian High trip, we'll end it here.
Yeah.
Because we've got to duck into Melbourne for a little bit and for Christmas. But we'll pick up.
No, we're only ducking into Melbourne for a week, and then we're going out for a bit, and we'll start
back.
filming, and then we're going back for Christmas.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. And then we'll pick up the high country trip again, somewhere around Bright, Mansfield. Haven't just really decided yet, but somewhere around there.
Okay, I'm hoping Mansfield and Bright, if we can do both.
Yeah, we'll definitely do both, but where we actually start, haven't decided yet. So for this part 1 of the Victorian High trip, thanks for watching.
Yeah, and thank you to everyone who comments, and especially everyone who follows our journey. Thank you all so very much. And we get a lot of messages saying thank you for sharing photos and videos of places. Well, that's why we go out and we see them, because we want to share it with all of you guys. So thank you so much.
That's it, thank you.
Yeah.
Yep. Alrighty, well, we'll wrap it up here. Thanks again.
Yeah, and we'll see you
on the flip side.
Yeah, bye everyone. Thank you again.
Take care.
Bye.
In the right direction.